Hi, my name is Shamisoayano, also known as Bright Eyes, and today I'm going to show you how I was able to make this fan by using sublimation on the fabric. This is the 12 by 26 inch fan, so it's a bit smaller than the large one. So this is the large, and the one I showed you previous was like an extra large. So I'm going to show you how I was able to sublimate on this fabric and also on the wood. And so I'm going to show you through the process. Okay, so in this video right here, before I'm able to sublimate on the wood, I decided to paint the wood in white. And I'm using this paint brush. It looks like a sponge and it's good to use for like wood. So I'm just painting the whole wood in white. So you don't have to do what I'm doing. You could still be able to sublimate on the wood while painting the wood stick. It's just that when you paint it white, it shows it better. And when you don't paint it white, it shows it more transparent. So I didn't want it to look transparent, so I decided to paint it white anyway. So the temperature I'm going to use to sublimate, I laminated first, as you can see, and the temperature is going to be 320, and it's going to be 30 seconds. Okay, so as you can see, I use laminated sheets, and that's like the easiest way to sublimate the wood. Paint it white and put laminated sheets on it and put it at temperature 320 for 30 seconds, like I'm doing right now. You want the shiny surface to go on top, and then you heat press for 30 seconds. So after I did that, what I'm going to do next is get an X-Acto knife. As you can see, my cut map, or you could use a rotary cutter to cut out the laminate sheets, and that's what I did. I used a rotary cutter to cut it out, and if I had any difficulties doing like curves or anything, then I'll use my X-Acto knife, as you can see right here in the video. Okay, so after you finish doing that, then you want to laminate on the sheet like you see right here. So I'm going to place the wood, and I'm going to laminate the wood on a sublimation paper so it can have the color. And the temperature, I believe, is 380 and 60 seconds, I believe, to sublimate on the wood once it's already laminated. Okay, and then I'm going to use the heat transfer tape so the wood won't move. I find this the easiest way to do the lamination on wood. It's really simple and easy, and it's really fun. I enjoy doing this project. Okay, hopefully I show the temperature on the screen, but from my head I think it was like 380 and 60 seconds. Okay, so now I'm just preparing to laminate to sublimate on the wood now. Once it's already laminated, I have to be so extra with the sheets. Okay, yep, 380 and 60 seconds. Okay, so once I'm done, I think you remove it when it's cool, right? And I'm going to start the process again. 380, 60 seconds to sublimate on wood. Okay, so right now you're removing the heat transfer tape, and you can see how it came out. Okay, it looks like maybe all of it didn't get to sublimate it as good as I want to. Okay, so, well, those did came out good. You see how pretty the wood looks with the color? It looks very vibrant. And if you don't paint it in white, then it's going to look more transparent. But since I painted it in white, it has more of a vibrant look to it. Let's see. I'm not sure towards the end if it was able to sublimate or not. It looks like it wasn't, because it looks like I'm going to go over it again. Those last three probably didn't kept the color well. So I sublimated again. So as y'all can see, so now it was able to take the color. See how pretty that looks? Yeah, so it's really simple to sublimate. Okay, so if you made it this far in the video, you probably watched it through the end. And you probably are asking yourself this question: does it clap? So let's see and find out. There goes your answer. But the extra large, it was really loud. Let's see if I could get it to make it louder. I mean, it does make a sound, you know? Like, that's your answer. All right, see you later.